What's going on TikTok? Today we're going to be looking at the newly renovated rooms at Disney's All-Star Music Resort. Now this is going to be a value resort on property, which means the rooms are going to be pretty much the cheapest rooms on property, but for the price you really do get a lot to offer here. This room features a full-size bed as well as a pull-down Murphy bed, which is great for space saving and things like that. It also has a refrigerator which can fit bottles of water, kid-sized drinks, Uncrustables, things of that nature. Also has a little coffee machine with coffee and sugar and cream and things like that. My favorite thing about the room though is the completely renovated bathroom. This bathroom features a great size mirror with lights around the entire mirror itself, along with a completely renovated shower. If you've stayed in these hotels before, you know they used to have the vinyl shower curtains, not anymore. Now we have full glass shower doors, along with all the shampoo, conditioner, and soap that you would need, brand new shower heads, brand new tile, everything is nice and gorgeous. Now when we come back outside the bathroom, I can show you how the Murphy bed works. Murphy beds are great in rooms this size because not only are they beds, but they act as a table, which are great for when the kids are snacking, if you need to send some emails, or anything that would require a table. Simply pull down on the bars and a bed is revealed. These mattresses are really, really nice and comfortable. As you can see with the bed down, it does take up a bit of space, so the fact that it folds up to create a space saver is also a great addition to the room. The back of the bed features Donald Duck's nephews, Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and they're dreaming about all sorts of music things to go with the theme of all-star music. Now when it's time to wake up and get ready for the day at the parks, the bed just folds right up, like so. And you can put the two chairs that are provided to you around the table for the morning when you go down to the Intermission Cafe and get your plate of Mickey waffles, because no day at the parks is better to start off with than a plate of Mickey waffles. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you have any questions or comments about All-Star Music, please just leave them in the comments below.